JAMB Organic Chemistry says the compound, which is what you can see here, is known as, so that is the IUPAC nomenclature you have to find. Now, if you look at this, we have 1, 2, 3 carbon on the straight chain. We have 1, 2, 3, but there is a problem here. This is 3 and this is also 3. So the parent chain is prop, that is propane, because it has single bond. But then there is something. If you follow here, you have a substituent. This substituent over here. If you follow from this side or this side, that is this branch chain. But if you follow this straight chain, you also have another substituent over here. All right. So which of these are we going to take? Now, if this is the straight chain and we assume that this is the parent chain, we are only going to have one substituent, which is from here. So it is attached to this carbon. That means even if this is a substituent attached to this, we are still going to regard it as one substituent in this parent chain. Right, so this one now become a substituent. But then if we follow the branch chain, how many substituents we're going to have? We're going to have first substituent and second substituent. That is if we follow this part of the chain. So because of that, we are going to take the part that have more substituents. So if we follow the straight chain, we're only going to have one substituent, which is this carbon here that have a substituent. But if we follow the branch chain, we're going to have 1 and 2 substituents. So we're going to follow the branch chain because the parent chain must have more substituents in it. So having known that we're going to follow this branch chain, which one are we going to start from? This is the first, second, and third. We can also have first, second, and third. So are we to follow this part or this part to number it? If you follow this part down here, this is going to be on carbon 2 and this is going to be on carbon 1. But if you follow this from here and go back to this place, you're going to have this carbon 1, this substituent, and this one on carbon 2. So because of that, we are going to follow this other one to give these two substituents the lowest possible locant. That's the locant is the number there. So that is the number we're going to choose from here that have only 1 and 2. That is simpler than when you have 2 and 3. So these are more higher than this. So we take this side. So we're now going to number it this place, and we have that this is a what? A propane, because of the single bond. So because of that, what first are we going to do? Naming it, we are going to start from the what? Alphabetical order. This is chlorine, that is chloro in organic chemistry. Why this is methyl? So because of this, we're going to write chlorine, and chlorine is found on carbon 1. So 1 dash, you separate number from alphabet using a dash. So 1 dash chloro, right? 1 dash chloro. What again can we find? We can find on carbon 2, we can find a methyl dash. So I want to write a number, so I'll separate it with this alphabet with a number. On that number dash, I want to write the name, so I have to put this dash again, dash methyl, dash methyl. Now I want to write the what? The parent name. So the parent name is what? Propane 1, 2, 3, prop. Okay, so we attach it here without giving any space, prop, and then you write N because of the word single bond. Can we find this on the options? So 1 chloro dash 2, no, 1 chloro dash 2, yes, methyl propane. Correct answer, option B. Don't forget to like this video, share to your friends, and join my WhatsApp online class by WhatsApping me on 08153957022. Consider adding +234 if you're in that country. See you on my next video. Bye bye.